So if you wanted to connect your Supabase directly with your Claude AI, I'm going to be showing you just a few tools of how you can actually get started. It's going to be really important that you have your GitHub already been signed in directly from Supabase in order to get started. So the first thing I wanted to do, of course, is to go from supabase.com. I'm going to go into the upper right corner that says sign in, so we can start working into a specific project. Directly into Supabase, what I'm going to be doing here is to continue with my GitHub account. Since I already have signed in, the process actually is not going to be that hard. So what I'm going to be doing here is just to select the actual project that I currently have, that I'm currently working on. And inside what I'm going to be doing here is to start by looking out, for example, with first of all, my actual organization, which in this case is this one. And here's my actual project, which in this case is my TechExpress BD project. So in this case, we have an actual project paused. I just select this element, and I should have now correct access directly inside my Supabase. So once I do have directly into my actual organization, I am now inside my actual project, and inside here I needed to resume the actual project in order to make the actual restore of the initial post. Meanwhile, this process is being correctly done, I'm gonna head back directly into my Claude AI. And inside here, I'm going to start with a new actual conversation. So here, let's work with my Supabase project. So find the connector. Connectors are like a really easily way to connect all different kind of tools between, in this case, the connectors and the Claude AI. Some of them are not available into the search of the actual connectors, so we need to actually add a model context protocol in order for making this process. Fortunately, we do have an actual Supabase connector to make this process really fast. So what we need to do, for example, it says the Supabase connector needs to reconnect, or in your case needs to install. In my case it says use, in your case go for install. This of course will be sending you back directly into GitHub, so it's going to be asking you to grant the access between the GitHub and the actual Supabase, and therefore the actual Claude AI. Once you have granted the access, you can head directly back inside here, and for example, it should be appearing as the element that says connected. If it doesn't appear as connected, it's going to be really important to close the Claude and sign in back again in order to make sure it actually works for you. Once you have now successfully done this process, it will be asking you that we have not correctly inside connected, and it says I can see your project, the TechExpress BD project, which in this case is this one, and we have, for example, these specific references, the use east, the currently status, and what would you like to do with it. So to check the table schema, to run a query, to look for security performance advisors, let's say, for example, let's run a query. And just like that, the actual connector will be doing this process for me in a very easy way. There's a manual way to doing, for example, the MCP server, but we're not going to be focusing a lot on that, since we're focusing a lot into the actual easiest way, which is finding the actual right connector and to do this process in a very easy way. So guys, with this being said, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, if you know another easiest way to make the actual connector, doesn't have to be Supabase, it has to be another tool, can be another tool between the Claude and whatever tool, you can let us know in the comments below so we can all share a little bit more knowledge. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully with all this being said, we can see you next time up.